So today, in this video, I want to introduce Neobux. So you guys, if you don't know, basically Neobux is just a website that you can sign in, and once you sign in, then you can click advertisement every day and earn money. So if you Google Neobux, then you can see a lot of Neobux results. Like a Neobux review is worth or the earn money from Neobux. So basically, you can see. So basically, you can see that. So all of these guys teach you how to register Neobux register Neobux account, and how to you can get money from PayPal, and so no matter which country you are, and you can get. So you say it teach you how to make money by Neobux. So basically, you need to once you register and get an account from Neobux, then every day you need to spend like 20 to 30 minutes, go into it and click for this advertisement. And you see he has lots of advertisement because he's the gold member. But now I read a script, I wrote script which can basically which you can click Neobux advertisement for you. So basically, once you open the script, then you can see I didn't change my cursor. So the scraper will start just will just logging for you guys, and it click for advertisement for you. So if you are familiar with Neobux, then you can see already click for me, and the cursor is just don't change it. So don't change their position. So that means that it's the scraper to control. Okay, so now I want to change my cursor. So basically, you can just flip down into change this window into the upside down your screen, and just let this scraper keep working. So you can switch down, and you will see it. So you will change it automatically once 60 seconds. So after 60 seconds, you will click this close for you guys, and open another. So basically, once you have these scripts, then you don't have to spend any time on Neobux. So every time you just set up, so you see it's almost automatically. So we can plug it. Okay, so now I want to introduce. So basically, you just first start your register, and get your username and password, and email, and something, and you get your email, and you get so they will send some verification to your email. So basically, this is what I want to say. So I just want to show you guys that this script is very powerful, because I mean, once you open it, you don't have to so just ignore the arrow trend here. Okay. So basically, it's very powerful that you will automatically click ads for you. So you can earn money from this Neobux advertisement bot. And so if you are a golden member, then you can set up for the computer automatically tool to open this bot for you. Then you don't have to do anything. So so nowadays, I mean, this box just sell like $30, $30 US. So if you are interested, please email me, and I can send you the code for you. Then you can get the money. You can get a code. You can get the very good. You can get a very good result by using this. So you can earn money for every time you just automatically open this scraper, then you can earn money. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to click the advertisement automatically, so and it will log in for you. Yeah, so this service is very quickly. Okay, so this is my this is my video for the Neobux scraper. And so if you are interested in this chatbot, not chatbot, if you are interested in this automatic advertisement bot, then please email me. And I will leave the email into this below this video, and just yes, thanks. Or I will email. So I will give a link. Then you can contact me. Thanks.